solvent and water base gun cleaner. Come in a minute. Solvent, water. So in here we have our clean and dirty solvent and our clean water in there. Yep. So basically, this solvent cleaner works like a dishwasher, just at home. So if you have a look in there, I'll close this down and we set it. And inside now, all the solvent is spraying like a dishwasher. All the bit of the solvent spraying in there. I'll show you. Watch this. So see, and we brush and clean. We can brush and clean our spray gun. I'll show you. So now it's been sprayed. We have this to brush and clean the excess solvent off with the pedal, and then we have our gun down here. To clean it out. And all finished. This one here is a lot simpler. This just has the water cleaner, so the same thing, pedal, and just our water-based cleaner. Just to brush the gun and blow it dry. Don't want any solvent. No solvent near that. Yeah.